Hello everyone, welcome back to Asedoskitchen. Today I'm making a 3-ingredient lemon pepper chicken. I'm using chicken drumsticks, lemon pepper spice mix, and extra virgin olive oil. In a large bowl, I have cleaned chicken and I've already patted it dry. So I add lemon pepper seasoning followed by the olive oil. I use a small amount of the seasoning so that the lemon does not overpower the chicken. I also skip salt because it's included in this mix. However, feel free to adjust the salt and seasoning to your liking. I massage this into the chicken and let it marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. I place the chicken in the air fryer. Cook it at 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping the chicken halfway through. Our chicken is now ready. It's soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and serve. For more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, engage in the comments section and share. Thanks for watching and bye for now.